First Corporate Clothing are an established and professional corporate clothing manufacturer and supplier of tailored suiting and workwear. We manufacture and stock a unique range of suiting with fabric milled especially for us. We also work closely with UK fabric suppliers to ensure quality and continuity. We have more than 20 years' experience in the industry, and our team are experts in design, manufacture, logistics, and account management. Everything we do is designed and made in the UK, all under one roof in South Wales. Let us show you the uniform journey from concept to completion. From start to finish, we work closely with you, our client, to understand your work environment and expectations. Our team of designers and fabric experts will sketch out designs and initial suggestions into CADs. This is to display how the styles and colours could look together for both stock and bespoke garments. We are able to design or source any element required to meet your brief, working with you at every stage to ensure your approval. Once approved, your brief is handed to our design room, who will create exact samples of the proposed garments. The pattern making, cutting, and full creation of all of our sample garments are created here, including management of our alterations and special measure facility. Our dedicated team in the design room features some of the most skilled and experienced garment specialists in this industry, of whom many have been with us here at First Corporate Clothing from our beginning in 1998. Once we have final approval from you on the samples created, we move next door to the factory for production. We are the only corporate wear supplier who manufactures in the UK. Having our own factory gives us the flexibility to offer smaller quantities, faster turnarounds, and have the use of our own styles and patterns to reduce costs and time. When the sample is sent into the factory, it is recreated on our production line where it is cut, fused, and sewn. Final inspections are made for each of our garments. They are individually checked by our quality control team. Many of our experienced factory machinists have also been with us from the start, but we are all dedicated to passing on these skills to the next generation, which is why we have created our own training line within the factory.
What has been really important to me has been to train the next generation. We've worked very closely with the Welsh Government on establishing training lines and permanent training lines. The beauty is that the people in the factory, like Michelle, my factory director, can pass on absolutely superb skills, and we can then keep the employment going for the next generation.
Next to our design room is our embroidery room, where finished garments from the factory along with our stock garments are taken for personalisation. Our embroidery room team digitise company logos for our customers and develop their brand identity onto a variety of different garments with embroidery or heat sealing. Each of our warehouses have their own dedicated teams who work with our finished and completed garments. They will collate your order, neatly person pack them, and dispatch them to you swiftly. Throughout the uniform process from concept to completion, you will receive constant support and communication from us via our friendly and experienced customer service team. Every customer is assigned a dedicated account manager. Our account management teams have a wealth of experience in looking after our customers and collectively have amassed over 50 years worth of experience between them. As we do not operate a call centre, this means you have direct access to our team via phone and email. As part of our normal practice, we hold weekly production meetings to ensure your project is on schedule, and we provide you with any relevant updates. With every aspect of our business located under one roof right here in the UK, we can ensure quality, consistency, and exceptional customer service when creating and delivering your uniform. Come down and visit us to see for yourselves, and thank you for watching.